Hi everyone, I'm here at the latest project in Anfield in Liverpool, and we've just made a start on the refurb. The new windows are in, the roof is going on today. So I thought I'd use this opportunity to take you through step by step all of the costings for this entire refurb. So let's get to it. So let's start off by having a quick tour around the house so I can dive into what we're actually going to be doing with this refurb, and then we can hit the whiteboard and I'll take you through the numbers. So as you can see here, we've got the roofers who started a couple of days ago. They're completely replacing the roof, including all guttering and flashing, etc. We're going to be repointing the front of the house and painting it grey. We're walking into the living room here. Largely the woodwork's going to stay the same. We're just going to be painting it grey. The woodwork on the whole is okay. We're going to be replacing the electrical consumer unit up there with a brand new consumer unit, and we're going to be putting a damp course into the front wall. We've got some sockets and some lights that need replacing. All the flooring is going to be completely redone. We're having laminate flooring downstairs, new lighting there. As we go into the kitchen is going to, well, what's left of the kitchen is going to be completely ripped out and putting a new kitchen in. And in the bathroom, all of these tiles are coming off and we're going to re-tile and put in a brand new bathroom suite in there. We like to half tile it and half paint it. Back through the kitchen, and then as we head upstairs, you should see on the left and right there's quite a lot of this horrible old wallpaper there, so all of that's going to be steamed off and we're going to be doing a lot of replastering and skimming to get the walls okay for decorating. You can see some of the impacts of the dodgy roof there on the front wall, so that should be fixed when we've got the new roof on. A lot of floorboards need fixing and replacing. Here we are in the second room. Again, all of this horrible wallpaper is coming off and we're going to be doing a lot of skimming, new sockets going in. And as we look into the boiler cupboard, the boiler's not there. We're going to be putting in a brand new boiler and a whole new central heating system, all piping, etc. So let's dive into the numbers behind this refurb. The original budget that I was hoping to achieve for this refurb was £20,000. Probably a little bit on the optimistic side, but I've done a few refurbs in this area and it is possible, but as you'll see by the end of this video, maybe a little bit optimistic. So all of the numbers I'm going to be telling you about today are pulled straight from the quote that I've received from the contractor. I've used this particular contractor many times in the past. We've got a great relationship. He always does a great job. So as I say, all of these numbers are pulled directly from the quote. So the rip out, that comes in at £400. So that's completely gutting the house, pulling out what's left of the kitchen and the bathroom, basically making it a blank canvas. We need one 8-ton skip, and that comes in at £230. We need a brand new central heating system, so that includes the boiler, all radiators, pipework and everything, and that comes in at £3,100. The electrics, including a new consumer unit and all sockets and switches and making sure that everything is safe, that's coming in at £600. Brand new double glazed windows all round, including a brand new front door and back door, that comes in at £3,600. The cost of the new roof is coming in at £4,100. Now the next item, the flat roof, that wasn't in the original quote. We thought that was okay to start with, but I got a call from the contractor yesterday saying that we do need to replace the flat roof. It's not looking good underneath the actual felt, it's all rotten under there, and the cost to do that is going to be around £1,000. So that's already some additional cost that wasn't initially budgeted for. Now onto the plastering. So we're knocking down a couple of walls between the kitchen and the bathroom, and also there's a wall as you come in the front door just on the right hand side that we're going to get rid of as well to make it more of an open plan living space. And the total cost for that is coming in at £2,500. That includes damp coursing the front wall downstairs as well. Now the cost of the kitchen is £1,800. That's to supply all of the kitchen units. The labour cost to actually fit the kitchen is £900. Brand new kitchen tiles, £210. A brand new bathroom suite, including the bath, toilet, sink, bath panels, taps, mixer shower, the screen, and all of the wastes. That's coming in at £800. The labour costs to completely tile the bathroom and fit the bathroom suite come in at £700. Now onto flooring. We're putting laminate flooring downstairs in the living room and dining room. We're putting vinyl in the kitchen and in the bathroom, and then we're carpeting up the stairs and all upstairs. And that is coming in at £1,100 supplied and fitted. New blinds on all the windows, that's £200. Prepping all the walls and painting and decorating comes in at £1,000. Then we've got some joinery work that needs doing. So we've got the internal doors that need fitting, as well as doors on the gas cupboard and on the electric cupboard as well. And that comes in at £400. The cost of the new interior doors is £300. We're replacing some wall lights that are in the living room and in the dining room, and that's only coming in at £60. And finally, the cost of all the paint and associated materials is quoted at £300. So our total spend for this refurb currently is coming in at £23,510. So as you can see, we're already way over our initial budget, which was a little bit optimistic. The refurb has just started now, so we'll see if there are any more unexpected cost increases. I'll keep you posted along the way. We'll do some more videos to see how we're getting on, and we'll do a final run through of the numbers right at the end. So assuming we hit these numbers on the refurb, let's talk about what the return on investment for this deal is actually going to be. So as I mentioned in a previous video, this is actually a purchase lease option deal, which is costing just over £1,000 to put together, with the bulk of that cost being for solicitors' fees. So we've got the cost of putting the deal together, solicitors' fees, at £1,000. We've got our refurb, which is currently coming in at £23,500. So we've got a total of £24,500. Now, as I mentioned in my last video, we're going to be renting this house out as an AST, and the rental we should be able to achieve in this area is going to be something around £500 a month. So we should be able to profit around £500 a month from this property. So that's £500 a month or £6,000 a year. So what's our return on investment going to be? So let's take our rental income for the year, £6,000, divide it by the total spend, which is £24,500, times 100, which will give us a percentage, and that comes out at just under 25% return on investment. Now, to put that in context, if you had £24,500 just sat in a bank, for example, at the moment you're going to be earning an interest of something like 0.5%. So instead of doing that by putting your money into a project like this or into a property in this particular deal, you're going to be earning 25% return on your cash, which is much better than leaving the cash sat in the bank, and it's certainly better than a kick in the balls. So I really hope that was a useful video for you. I'd be really keen to know what you think about all of the costings. Do you think it's too high? Do you think it's too low? Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Also, if you have any other suggestions for future content, let me know in the comments as well. I'm pulling together some new ideas for some future videos, so your feedback and comments will be super helpful. So until next time, and as always, live long and prosper.